Hi, it's Larry Kearney. Welcome to my review. This is a review on the new cloud-based system called AI Affiliate Suite. Now, before I go into exactly what this is, let me show you that if you decide to purchase through my link, you're going to get additional 36 bonus courses. We're talking about over $12,000 of bonus courses. One video course is about viral traffic blast, how to get any link to go viral, page to go viral, social media marketing, lead generation. These are all video courses, marketing, automation. Pinterest is still hot. You need to use it, do everything you can to make money on Pinterest, or learn everything you can rather. SEO, Facebook ads secrets, Google AdSense profiting tips and tricks is still hot, still makes money if you know how to use it. You learn it from these courses. Social media marketing, TikTok is still super hot. This is one of the latest courses about TikTok, video marketing. Instagram, of course, Instagram is great. YouTube, of course. Pinterest. These are all systems you should be on, at least spend maybe a few hours or a couple minutes a day posting on them. How to make $2,000 in 20 minutes with Facebook groups. These are all great networks. Launch jacking. It's one of the easiest ways to make money online is launch jacking. So you get all those courses, 36. This is just a few of them listed here, but it's more that you get in the package for free when you purchase this course through my link, the AI Affiliate Suite. Now, this is a system that actually the gentleman shows you how to use AI, Chat GPT, to create a WordPress site, affiliate review site. Shows you how to boost, how to get ranked on the first pages of Google in a week or two, very quickly. So all the content is generated by AI. Everything, the SEO. So he walks you through the whole process of how to start making money and rank review videos on the first pages of Google very fast without writing anything. So he takes you from A to Z. So this is an excellent way to get started. If you're not making money now, review sites is one of the best ways to do it. He was able to rank his pages on Google without even submitting them to Google within a week or two. And as I said before, if you're not making money now, review pages is where it's at. But obviously, Chat GPT changes everything because it does all the work for you. So check it out. Click the link below. Read through the page. Watch the video and see if it's for you. But if you want to make money with review pages, this is one of the best ways that has been released today to get started making money very quickly. This is Larry Kearney. Click the link below. Check it out. And I'll see everyone in the next video.